One, that you analyze the market, and second, you trade. This is what I've been told to you every by everyone. But there's third thing that we call is market doing exactly reverse to what we have analyzed and what we want to trade. And this is exactly why I have been telling you that allow market every day to open, give it some time so that it tells you that today is not, I am not going to go as per what you have analyzed the previous day. And this is what we saw we were analyzing on the Friday and Sunday, and we thought that market might move down and then it goes up. But market has a different plans. We don't know. So I always insist, don't trade anything till it's 10 on the clock, and then you have a clarity over the data. Data is always very important than the chart and that we analyze. Chart and data should go hand in hand, otherwise we will not be able to trade properly. Now, when we came in the morning, what we saw is that there is a lot of put writing in the Nifty which is happening, and it was above the ATM. And I have posted this on my Telegram also, showing that the put writing that we were able to see in Nifty. At that point in time, I think we were somewhere close to 24, 350, 370, and we saw put writing all the way till 24, 450, which is now even the case. So far, we have a very dominant put writing happening, and this is what I wanted to see on Monday, that is today, that the positioning changes. Because I told you it is very important that if there's a call or put writing which we have analyzed the day before, and the market does totally opposite to that, we have to understand that. And moreover, you will see that the changes has to happen in the market. It will happen in the first hour more often than not, because if the big positional positions are being created, they are going to start early. They will not wait till the end of a day. If it happens till the end of a day, it might end up being a trap more often than not. So I prefer looking into the market after 10 a.m. so that I have a clarity whether I have analyzed the previous day is right or wrong. So currently, as we see, we have a super put buildup that is happening. It is not something that I see very regularly. You have 2 CR put writing all the way till 24,400. Now on the call side, you see we have hardly anything. Like it's like 24,500 is a mere 1.6 CR. It might break, and then we head to 24,600. So what I want right now you to see is observe the market. If you want to trade, now you know where your stop loss is to be placed. We have a POC and a put wall sitting at 24,400, and we are right now starting to continue to trade above it. So we have to wait for this to become a hard resistance, then you can know where the market is heading. The next direction that I anticipated market to go was around 24,500 to 24,600. So we have to watch to see if we go there, and then maybe we take a pause, and then or we continue. We have to analyze by the hour. So now, currently, what we see, MCX is one stock where there's a maximum open interest building up. Okay, although it did drift it down, now it is going to come up. So we want to see whether 2,800 level, which is as per the resistance as per the open interest, is that is it holding or is it going to break? So then we'll be able to ascertain whether the reversal is on the cards or this is just a normal pullback. Bajaj Auto is having a good short covering, and we see in the price also. As we speak, we now have a 24,500 put writing starting to happen. The volumes are lower. I want it to be more than 50%, and same is with the SDFC Bank. Dixon has been one of our stocks that we have analyzed around. If you remember, we had I had posted about this also. Dixon had a stealth build-up candle, and this is what stealth build-up candle has done to the stock. It has now moved about 12,900, which is exactly at the resistance where we have anticipated. So this was a candle which we highlighted, and now we are having a move all the way till 12,900. It went past 13,000. It has come back now. What we really want to see right now, if there's any breakout that happens. But yes, the stealth build-up candles always tells you things in advance. And if it is done at the right structure of the market, you have a very good clarity and very good risk reward. Okay, now we move on to see if we have anything into the CPR scanner to say if we have any narrow candles and confluence. So if I click on the confluence, we have ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, I still am not clear over the long position because of risk reward. Okay, although I'm not going to short till the time we break the levels that I have given in the video. Uh, Comparatively, Nifty is right now into good put writing and call buying. HDFC Bank has started to write the put above the ATM. So this is very important. We saw on the page also. Now, if we move on to the intraday scanner, just to see if anything has appeared over there, it takes a time for this particular scanner to build in slowly and gradually. So we'll see if around 11:30 do we have any signal. Then we can then decide whether or not to look that particular trade seriously or just move on to the different stocks to look into. Yes, currently we do have two or three stocks, sorry, four stocks, of which Bajaj Auto, as we saw right now, has a good short covering and it has a good volume also, which is very interesting. Angel One has a good volume, but because the new stock right now added, so I want to be careful with the history part. But it has a good future open interest build-up of 3%. And all the stocks which are appearing have a future open interest of more than 3%. So what I want to really see is the persistence level. Currently, it is good with the Bajaj Auto. It is having a good persistence levels of 88%. It started the signal from 927. So we'll have to watch and see if this sustains because the volumes are really good and we might see a good continuation in a day or so if today's levels are sustained. So let us see what Bajaj Auto charts are indicating to us. So yes, currently what we see, there's a good reversal happening around the corner because this has been falling, and right now where we are, it was a previous kind of a breakout candle, and we are trying to take a support over here and trying to rise above it. What I want to see is that we cross about 10,100, and then maybe after that we will be able to see a very clear rally. Currently, it's still in a consolidation zone. We'll watch it as it progresses. Now, what we will see if we have anything in the what I want you to see is option jungle, just to make sure that we have any prominent put writing in any particular stock or index. So I'll click on the all. I'll click on all on both volume and open interest threshold, and I'll click on the put writing. So I have these stocks where there's a put writing happening. I will click on the persist just to see if the persist is more than 70-80%. So these are the stocks. Okay. Now you can see there's a good put writing still continues to happen in Nifty and it is happening since 9:30. That is where even I think I posted also somewhere after this. M&M has a good put writing, which is above the ATM, interesting, and it has a good persistence also of 70%. And this is happening since 10-2. And this is a good stock to right now watch in. It has a good volume also building up. I would love to see it going above 50%. Then it will be a very good, clear signal that we might cross 30 to 40. Godrej is having a good put writing, which is below the ATM price, but worth watching. Nifty is the one which has all the way, all the good put writing. M&M has a good continuation put writing 30 to 20. So in this continuous rally, we are now trying to build a base above the previous yes Friday's high, which is a good sign. And we see all the put writing which are happening majorly are into the stocks which have been rallying. Even Adani Enterprises has a put writing of 3,300, but currently it's a 30% only. So I want to see this continue more, maybe turn into green or yellow. Otherwise, these grays are just a recent, very, very new put writing. So we have to be just mindful and watchful. Now there was a query which some user posted that if we want to see about a stock whether all the put writings are happening in that, so you can go into the market pulse page and there's an option over here called search. So you can put your stock and what it will do typically is to take everything of that stock and show you in the one page. So like if I want to see about the M&M right now, so I can see all the option activities which is happening. Okay, call accumulations happening in 3250 call. We saw put writing also. The score is good, 305. CPR is sideways kind of a thing, but we are above the top pivot. Put strikes where there's a maximum open interest is right now visible. PCR is visible. So this is all that you can see in the one particular screen. You can also see a build-up that is happening. We saw a good build-up on the Friday, long build-up, which is on the 2nd July. 3rd July didn't have much. So we had kind of a building up happening in this particular stock. So whatever you want to see in a particular stock, this is where you should come and see. Okay, we'll see if we have anything during the day. Till such time, be careful. Continue watching market as if it is not you who has to decide. It is a market who has to decide. Thank you.